my loving all night till you can't wait. Why won't you just wait for me, baby? Put that something sexy on for me, girlie. If you know, some man a boss, real trendsetter. From your left me, you can't find no better. Better jump ship and jump in under jetta. Make your body spin round like a propeller. Why won't you just wait for me, baby? Put that something special for me, girl, yeah. Won't go so far to say you can do better. Maybe so far no good. Looks like you're fed up. Never tell you walk away, but it's something extra. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Never tell you walk away, but it's something extra. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Where you been, my life? Let me dress you nice. Could be wasting time. Fucking with a young boy, not to mind. I can try to fly anywhere you like. You should leave tonight, but you can never handle what I can. See, it's the difference between settling down and settling. You can't afford your smile. Won't go so far to say you can do better. Maybe so far no good. Looks like you're fed up. Never tell you walk away, but it's something extra. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Never tell you walk away, but it's something extra. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Call me. Call me when you want more, when you want more. Call me.
Giving you the hits from today and yesterday. Triple Vibes Radio. TripleVibes.com. Keep it locked.
Yo, what's good? We in the building.
Hey.
Radio Super. That's right.
This is the show right here.
Of course.
This is the show, broadcasting as usual, live from the Fortress.
Yes.
We're in the building right now.
And you, if you're listening, you're in the right place.
In the right place, Kim.
You have arrived.
Right. You have arrived.
Thank
this
you
is
for
beautiful.
joining us.
Kim, you're here. This is beautiful. How are you doing, Kim?
I'm doing great.
This is good.
I'm
This is good. This is good, Kim. I literally feel like, whenever I miss you, I can turn the internet on and hear you 35 times during the week. That's what I feel like.
That's hard to believe.
That's what I feel
true.
like. That's what I feel like.
It's getting harder and harder to miss me.
That's so much what I feel like right now. I got to give a big salute to everybody out there plugged in. We got a dope show tonight.
Yeah.
We got a dope show tonight. I got a call to an independent artist. Big salute out to my man Dread Red. You know what I mean? We're gonna be calling him. He's got a single or two spinning tonight. We're gonna give him a call.
Okay.
Talk to him a little bit. You know what I mean?
Right.
Big salute out to him, his team out there. Geddes, I see you out there. You know what I'm saying? Definitely. I also got a queen coming through the building.
Yeah.
Not just you, but we got a queen coming through the building. You know what I mean? Like a R&B queen coming through the building.
Yes.
We got Miss Adina Howard.
So cool, unbelievable.
This is wild right now.
Yes.
She's got a new single. We're gonna slide that in during the show and everything. So I want you guys to stay ready for that. It's a lot of stuff happening in the world super right now.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna talk too much. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna probably play a little bit of music. That's what I'm gonna get into.
That's always a good look.
I'm gonna get into a little bit of music and everything.
Let's do that.
We're gonna get things kicked off, get some music playing, get everybody's head nodding. Salute out to everybody out there plugged in. Tell your friends we live right now.
Yes.
It's popping right now.
We love you.
It's popping. It's popping right now.
Thank you for tuning in.
Yeah, definitely. You guys stay posted. I got something coming up. What do I have coming up? I'm glad you asked.
What is it?
What do I have coming up? Let's start off with some new Jadakiss.
Ooh, I like it.
Jadakiss, Rick Ross,
Neo.
Yes. Right. Kisses to the sky. Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all stay posted. Remember where you guys are plugged in.
Just try and beat the odds. At all. Yeah. I like this.
So you're all speak.
This is called living. Don't ever forget it. Sky's just the view, baby. It's never the limit. You playing the game, then you better be winning. Glasses of wine, cheers to better beginnings. World don't stop. You know it keeps spinning. It's sorta like me. You know I keep spinning. I got a good heart. Let the snakes keep the venom. Come out when you see that big boy with the emblem. And I ain't looking at you, mommy. I'm looking through you. I could take you to places you probably only could Google. Them R's in your ears, just jealous. Don't let them fool you. They waiting on their chance. They wish they could do what you do. Nah, but we ain't jacking them, no. We on the Benjamin wave and we stacking them, no. Put your seatbelt on, we in the fast lane. And I think I want you to share my last name. Kisses to the sky, what's up?
Oh, this the life. Kisses to the sky. Hey. A fabulous life you can live. If you're lucky, things I've seen, the places I have been. I've seen it. I've been there. I know how much it took to get here.
Foresight, speaking to existence, I'm the boss type. Nah, this ain't off-white. I got rich off-white. Even though everybody's entitled to an off night. Doubt we ever have one. Luxury, mad fun. Countertop action while the water in the bath run. I come home, bag full of money. You can have some. Question who? You don't even have to ask none. I love you like that. You ain't gotta get your act done. Closet stuff. You ain't never with the last one. Call Chanel. Try to find out when the bags come. Your friends be hating. I ain't even gonna blast them. They see me and speak. I keep it moving right past them. I ain't the first, and I won't be the last. Son, watch those that only come around when the cash come. Yeah, cause they be vicious in disguise. No militia or mischief, just kisses in the sky. What's up?
Oh, this the life. Kisses to the sky. A fabulous life you can live. If you're lucky, things I've seen, the places I have been.
It's my part right here.
I know how much it took to get here.
Only God knows.
You can lose it all in the blink of an eye. So don't take it for granted. 'Cause in this world,
boy, in better shape than I've ever been. Got a team full of hitters, no need for lettermans. Pack the cream in the luggage, can't leave no evidence. Jesus' pieces be flooded like it was heaven sent. In a room full of demons, how can we make amends? He took a chance and took a stand, you gotta check your mans. Ray for Lemon in 86 and I'm living that. Mercedes full of 80 bricks, look where I'm living at. One eye open like I was Fetty Wap. 2 Glocks on me, pulling my Betty drop. Big belly rude boy, yes I top shot up. Bumba, you push, going to kill my dog. DEA got all you know, petrified. Only reason you testified to get less of time. Lamborghini got all your views mesmerized. I double park it at Target before I step inside. Boss. Feds raiders, I'm going Larry Davis. Boss. Mad haters, jealous, mad that we made it. Louis luggage carry the 1.5. 2 few kisses, it's time to live my life.
With the power of God.
Hold your hats.
Like thunder,
this one's
like
taking off.
The wicked will eventually perish. That's why I stay focused on righteous endeavors. Lap dances at an all-time high. If the shoe doesn't fit, there's no need to reply. Don't play the front line if you ain't ready to die. Any day could be your last once Titans clash. The bulk of these rappers nowadays are trash. That's why I don't entertain the mentally insane. It be wise to flow with the grain. Because the backlash obtained need not be explained. No mercy for the uncivilized. I won't rest till the neutralized movement is paralyzed. Strike with the strength of 10 Zeus's. The tapicate frauds decorate next to nooses. My guillotine skills are ferocious. Leaving decayed corpses for the vultures. Rakim said I was no joke, so take heed to the God. You don't want no smoke? You don't want no smoke? They already know I'm no joke. Mr. Toke Armstrong, but you can call me Toke. My poke stroke like the Staten Island ferry boat. Every line that he wrote, you can sniff it like dope. I'll drop it in a hot pot of water, Mr. Coke Capricorn, so I am all ready to go. Been from coast to coast, and I'm better than most. It's all about guns and butter, go get the toast, not the brag or boast. I'm hip hop cold, cold like the winter war with no coat. Clean verse, no curse like a bar of soap. They bend down and kiss the ring like I am the Pope. You don't want no smoke?
Stand on the ad, getting money, I just handle the bag. Too fly when the cameras are flash. Aim at his badge, said I'm too famous to blast. Throw on the mask, all the haters I pass. Wave high to him, high hater. Pair 11s, put the 45 to him. 2 Cubans, I'm feeling like Rakim. Shorty Cuban, I put her right in my top 10. Rick Rubin, I'm still pushing the rock. Big Buick, I still push through the block. American made, blood of American slaves. Culture like Jesse Meredith made. Too fly like a perishing planes. On the terrace yelling Eric B for prayers, wearing several chains. Old school beat got me looking like Kane. No half stepping, blowing full of your brain. Thought I was a joke. We gon' send a warning to your folks. We gon' round the corner if we broke. Jury like the 80s crack era. Black Beretta always like the Mac better. They just mad that a nigga rap better. No leg shots, only clap sweaters. Sending headshots like an audition. Dad, you gon' need a mortician.
You don't want no smoke? You don't want no smoke?
Yeah. Y'all know. Okay. Yeah. Pizzy. Y'all know who it is. Yeah. Anthem. Lay. The goal is to get the city to talk about me.
Love them or hate them, long as the convo's bout the fact. And way past the top where this nigga's at. Relax, or wake up to yellow tape on your ab. I'm on a mission for recognition. My palms are itching. I am different, no intentions of failing. I'm too ambitious. I took a look around at all these niggas spitting. I'm the only one that's cooking. Below is the kitchen. What up? Yeah. Now tell me who's fucking with me. I live the life I want till the devil's ready to get me. If I gotta pull this trigger, your story will end like 50s. Curtis, sorry Miss Jackson, but he deserved it. I've been labeled as an outcast. Me, you will not outlast. All I make is money moves and then proceed to count cash. Nowadays, these niggas faker than an eyelash. Claim they getting money, but be broker than Kawhi's laugh. I know what they say. You may not be the one today, but you never know what tomorrow may bring. What tomorrow may bring. Yeah. It's evident y'all irrelevant. I'm chillin' with my niggas, feeling better than we've ever been. Right now we sippin' Hennessy. At times the shit's our medicine. The devil's always knocking, and at times we tend to let him in. And yes, it's understandable. I am sick, there's no antidote. Haters will always hate and continue to flap their mandible. But this the west side. Drive-bys in a manual. When you can get hit in your head, hit for your clavicle, bang. All man with an attitude, I will damage whoever happens to rudely approach me without some manners. I manage but need a challenge. It seems that the only talent the city has in the bag is the scheming, a bunch of rat. And the day that I'm dead and gone is the day that you play these songs. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Got you wishing you came along. As of lately, I've been on safety and I'll get past the baton. Cause I've been doing this and Shady has 6 minutes to get on. I know what they say.
Hold your hats. This one's taking off.
But you never know what tomorrow may bring. What tomorrow may bring. Yeah.
What's good, people? It's your boy BK Cashman. Right now, I'm live from the Fortress with TJ Superhype on Radio Super.
Hey, yo, what's going on, y'all? D-R-E-Z, that's me. And when I'm not big and back being bald, I'm plugged in with TJ Superhype, live from the Fortress on Radio Super.
Hey, yo, this is the Grand Surgeon. And when I'm not whipping through the 5 boroughs, clocking that guap, I'm locked in to TJ Superhype, live from the Fortress on Radio Super. You heard?
We in the building, TJ Super Duper. Radio Super. That's how we're doing it right now. You know what I mean? Yo, big salute out to my peoples out there.
Hey, everybody.
Out there. Everybody out there locked in with us. Salute. We dropped a couple of joints on you. Salute out to my man Andale Pizzy, new music. You know what they say. We dropped that on you. Right before that, salute out to Staten Island. Staten Island should raise a fist in the air.
Of course.
They got a lot of stuff going on today.
Cracking.
Pop to Brown Hardy. He was in the building last week. Right. Beautiful interview with him. Big salute out to that whole team over there. Pop, we see you out there. Phantom on the beat. I mean, you know, Track FS Taylor on it, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And King Just, of course. Big salute out to Yusuf. We see you out there. Yusuf just had a birthday.
No, really?
Yusuf just had a birthday.
Well, happy birthday.
Big happy birthday to Yusuf.
Huge
you know what
happy
I mean?
Birthday to
Definitely.
Yusuf.
Big salute to him. He just had a birthday. So if y'all see him, go put $1 in his shirt or something like that. Like, is that what we're doing? What are we doing for birthdays? Is that what we're doing?
I mean, everybody likes money.
Yeah.
I think.
We should like up the ante because like I'm coming up in March.
Oh,
so
yeah,
I'm thinking
okay.
like, we should put like 50s.
Yeah.
We should try it.
We should start in March.
Yeah, let's try it like next month, and then if it's not popping, we'll call it off in April. yeah, we'll do that. I think
a convenient idea. There's still Cash App too. I think that's what they do.
There's Cash App. That's what we're. Is that what we're doing for birthday? We're doing that for birthdays.
Yeah.
So that's
just in case they're not in person.
Yeah,
you don't have to be there.
For real, like you know what? I'm gonna just throw it out there. That's how we're gonna start showing love.
Yeah.
We're gonna test it out, okay?
Okay.
So if you see some of these people,
your birthday's coming up. What is it?
My Cash App. My Cash App happens to be Super Hype, but check this out, yo. So if you know,
super hype.
when somebody see when your when a birthday pop up, you know, just hit them off with a young 50. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna try that next month. We're gonna try it next month. I'm not gonna be on Facebook a lot next month. So so if I miss those notifications about when people's birthday are, it's because I'm mad. I got mad stuff to do next month.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely.
Birthday on
I might not be on social media as much, so I might miss those notifications. You know what I'm saying?
So your birthday, TJ?
No, I don't have any. I don't think I have any plans for my birthday.
Okay.
I don't think I have any plans for my birthday. I don't think I have those. I have some time. I have some time to work on that.
What's the literal day that it falls on?
It falls on the 18th. It's the day 18th? After St. Patrick's Day.
Oh, yeah.
Right. It's the day after St. Patrick's Day. Yes. St. Patrick's Day is a popular day.
It's so fun.
A popular day among the Irish.
All green. But you're not Irish, are you?
I'm not Irish. You're not Irish, are you?
I'm not, but I'm always looking for the pot.
I'm going to pretend.
At the end of the rainbow. And the beginning, actually.
Right.
That's as close as I get.
That's it.
I'm also magically delicious.
Magically delicious,
but
yes.
Other than that, no, I'm not Irish.
It's probably. I can see why that would be a good day for you. I can definitely see why that would be a good day for you. So that's great. So so I'm on March 18th. So just like I said, we'll just cash up. Cash up.
Right.
Yeah, we'll try it next month. If it don't work out, it don't work out. I don't see it working out past March.
I don't see how that could go wrong.
I don't see it past where. I don't see it working out past March.
Happens.
But nonetheless, you know what I'm saying? Like, anything can happen. I don't see it working out. But
Wednesday.
Yeah.
Or whatever day.
But like, we should really go hard that month, though.
I think we should.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be a great idea. Kim, you always come up with like some of the greatest ideas.
I do have great ideas frequently, but you know what? There's another big holiday coming up before your birthday.
What's the other big holiday?
It's Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's Day.
It's gonna happen before our next show.
Are we talking about Valentine's Day? This is great. Kim, you know what? And I'm glad you mentioned that. And I didn't have time to work on that.
We should have done something big.
We should have, usually
we auction someone off or something.
We do usually auction somebody off for Valentine's Day, and that didn't even happen. Yeah.
Now Valentine's Day is actually Friday.
It's Friday.
It creeped up on us.
And you know what? This is great. I wonder if there's, because look, you're not wearing a ring today, so I wonder if there's still time to maybe we can tie you down or something like that. You know what I mean? Like maybe we'll open the phone lines or something like that. Like, if somebody's taking, let me know when I cross the line and I'm doing too much. She said then.
We're good.
Right. She said right then.
I have no worries.
No worries. No, she's good. So, but yeah, we don't have really even time to do anything. It crept up on me.
It did. Really sneaky, like. Mm-hmm.
It really crept up on me.
I think it's because we were so worried about the freak like me coming.
Yeah.
To the show.
Right.
T-shirt and panties on.
It's T-shirt and panties. Right. That's what we're doing.
Distracted.
That's how we're doing it. So,
yes.
Okay, and that's fine.
Yes.
That's logical.
Awesome. That's coming on today. That'll happen.
That's going to happen. That's definitely going to happen. Miss Adina Howard
so
in the building tonight. You know what I'm saying? Tonight. Yo, I got some stuff coming up too. I got a phone call coming up from my man Dread Red.
Dread Red.
Let me get on the phone with Dread Red. I'm going to play like a song or two, then we're going to get on the phone with Dread Red.
Okay.
We'll do it like that. You know what I mean? So you guys stay where you at. Don't go anywhere. Because we got some joints coming up, so I want y'all to stay posted. I got some Gangstar I'm gonna drop. We got that we're gonna drop. We got maybe another joint I'm gonna drop, maybe some Afu Ra, and we'll be right back with you guys. You stay posted. New Gangstar, Flight. That's how we doing it.
It's the conversating like some more pimps caught in the mix.
Rhymes take flight, guards get tight. It's serious.
You know, and I know.
Rhymes take flight. Guards get tight, it's serious.
Nigga better bang.
Rhymes take flight, guards get tight, it's serious.
And I'm running through the spot.
Rhymes take flight, guards get tight, it's serious.
Now if it's gonna go, it's gonna be that. 1 in the spiritual, 3 in the physical. OG soul like Smokey in the miracles. Grimy and lyrical. You want it? Here it go. We be in spots where bitch niggas fear to go. Abrasive. Still smack faces, grab you by your neck, smash your head in the basement. Godly, still controlling the square. You the competition, get the fuck out of here. We got the safeties and the locks off, just in case you jump off. Count to 3, only these niggas dump off. For the love of hip hop, what's it worth? For the pain of hip hop, we bringin' the hurt. Fake niggas, we put in the dirt. Silly rap nigga wearing a skirt. We unbeatable, don't even try. Fuck around, lay around, do or die. It's the militia.
Rhymes take flight, guards get tight. It's serious.
Now it's gon' go, it's gon' be that.
Rhymes take flight, guards get tight.
It's the militia. It's the real.
Let's see if you can rap and step with this production. I never left, plus I kept me something that I could use on these MCs that kept frontin'. They watched me unload and explode. I kept dumping the Black Bruno with the Mac Uno. Crush you like a black sumo. I'm back, you know, the man of the hour. I'm the man of the year. Make room and understand I'm here. Hell, my clientele is the most regal. I crush brain cells. My name rings bells to most people. You broke the rules, so I'ma have to get at you. Pussy, you're pitiful, your crew can catch a clip or two. Always the swiftest you, watch the way I lift his jewels. He's woozy, excuse me while I rip this dude. I light a Dutch while you get touched with ease. And your chick steady falling in love with me. Rhymes take flight, guards get tight. It's serious.
Now it's gon' go, it's gon' be that.
Rhymes take flight, guards get tight.
It's the militia.
Raw. Yo, it's the gang star across my chest. Ongoing them, I never let solar rest me. Robbing the rappers that's bragging the pain as an addict and stabbing you. Leaking from holes you didn't know you was having. Bitch niggas take flight when bump pick up the mic. I write what rappers wanna be like in real life. Just pick your favorite song with verses crazy long. Cause I do what the fuck I want on every song. And you bitches are mad cause you spit a facade for sad niggas who thought hip hop was really gone. But not for very long. I'm back to carry on like I'm Marshawn Lynch. Running through every song, whack rappers take a knee, all races. In any race, Freddie Fox put that ox to their faces. And fuck your music is the basis, cause my shit hard. Rip to the guards, say it, militia.
Feel good to be alive and strive. Out for our man, yeah, we man up. Fight for the revolution.
Cold red, nobody safe. In all out war zone with no hiding place. The higher ups trying to exterminate us. It's martial law in its early stages. I see a world falling to the ground. Keep you locked in your surroundings, don't go out of bounds. They treat the earth like it ain't ours. Let's assemble the people, we got the same power. Especially the youth, let's get to see it troops. They won't see it coming, shot callers get the boot. Even bring it to Obama like my niggas speak the truth. Cut the puppet strings off them and let them loose. Spread the better news. We all gods, I am live and living proof. I am not just in the booth, this is real fact. That post-deal rap, know they gon' feel lag. Still young, still black, know the past is the past, but man, it's still that. They think they superior, so they instill that. Try to take our knowledge, but I'm gon' steal it back. It's ours for the keeping. Fuck a power system that was ran by treason. This is where the next revolution begins. All across the world, I just strengthen my allegiance. Yeah, I won't let them rain on me. I don't let them rain on me. No, I don't let them. Hey, why you gotta take from me every time a nigga make money? So I don't tell them. Hey, I don't fuck with tax. No faith in the system and the government is whack. Anything I do, you know I do it to the max. 2 figures in the air, peace, life, love is back. Peace, life, love is back.
Mentally high voltage, extracurricular. The monster society happy to be in the midst of sickness of oppression. They constantly lying and tricking us. But I'm a G, I'm a soldier. Opera man, we man up. Our poetry banging out our sickness up out of us. Coast to coast, we worldwide. Nothing fucking changing us or harming us. We bring it what? Smash holes in the game, never stopping. But we just get started. I got the keys to persevere. More ammunition than an army. What? Letting no shots for the revolution. More horsepower than a monster truck. We go for the juggler. With beats that bump, we bringing it what? We will defeat this what? That's right, we fight for the righteous us. Spiritually and mentally, we making a harmony. Manufacturing our own laws. They're harming us by the masses. So we force to develop and fight for the cause. We going in deep for you and y'all. We going in deep with all. No time to stall. We go deep to the balls. Put that party shit to the side, but we still ready to ball. One time, it's time we represent. We calling out our nation, line up for the battle. It's a worldwide roll call. This time we gon' fight for hours. One time again we represent, we fight for all.
I won't let them rain on me. I don't let them rain on me. No, I don't let gotta take from me every time a nigga make money, so I don't tell him, hey, I don't fuck with tax. No faith in the system and the government is right. Anything I do, you know I do it to the max. 2 fingers in the air, peace, life, love is back. Peace, life, love is back. I won't let them rain on me. I don't let them rain on me. No, I don't let them. Hey, why you gotta take from me every time a nigga make money, so I don't tell him, hey, I don't fuck with tax. No faith in the system and the government is right. Anything I do, you know I do it to the max. 2 fingers in the air, peace, life, love is back. Peace, life, love is back.
Love it or hate it, my nigga, I'm gon' get this paper. Whether it's now or it's later, don't shoot your shot at my bitch like a Laker. Unless you want smoke like a vapor. I'm from the hood, we still leave them scrapers. Nigga, I hang with the takers. Grew around killers, drug dealers, and basers. He got a problem in racing. Love it or hate it, I'm gon' get this paper. Whether it's now or it's later, don't shoot your shot at my bitch like a Laker. Unless you want smoke like a vapor. I'm from the hood, we still leave them scrapers. Nigga, I hang with the takers. Grew around killers, drug dealers, and basers. He got a problem in racing. Man, they really got a young nigga pissed off. They acting like a young nigga can't take off. They ain't fucking with your nigga with a day low. Mark toss in a hit like Adolf Hitler. You can get buzzed like a swisher. Quit bitching where you worse than your sister. Free all my niggas fell victim to the system. This real life, we ain't thinking on Insta. He out the road, treat the shank like a pistol. Real animal, eat him off the gristle. My bitch gon' blow like a whistle. Yo bitch go close in a fisher. Young nigga, young nigga, young nigga. They don't wanna see a young nigga richer. They don't wanna see a young nigga bigger. Fucking with me, get you caught out the picture. Love it or hate it, my nigga, I'm gon' get this paper. Whether it's now or it's later, don't shoot your shot at my bitch like a Laker. Unless you want smoke like a vapor. I'm from the hood, we still leave them scrapers. Nigga, I hang with the takers. Grew around killers, drug dealers, and basers. He got a problem in racing. Love it or hate it, I'm gon' get this paper.
You're officially listening to
Radio Super.
Nigga, I hang with the takers. Grew around killers, drug dealers, and basers. He got a problem in racing. He got a problem, he gon' meet his maker. They really wanna erase him. We got them sticks, we pullin' up, hoppin' out van, but not like them rapers. I know some niggas who stuck in the feds, yeah, for chasing that paper. He said it's pressure, well, I'm at his head, yeah, come get this taper. These niggas be rapping, they ain't built like that. When you speak, my niggas speak facts. I hate that my dog got hit for them rat. Fuck that, cause my nigga bounce back. Don't play in that water, you a saint like that. Quit playing, you ain't even like that. Hey, I might just throw me some rap. Fuck that, put it up, let it stack. Love it or hate it, my nigga, I'm gon' get this paper. Whether it's now or it's later, don't shoot your shot at my bitch like a Laker. Unless you want smoke like a vapor. I'm from the hood, we still leave them scrapers. Nigga, I hang with the takers. Grew around killers, drug dealers, and basers. He got a problem in racing. Love it or hate it, I'm gon' get this paper. Whether it's now or it's later, don't shoot your shot at my bitch like a Laker. Unless you want smoke like a vapor. I'm from the hood, we still leave them scrapers. Nigga, I hang with the takers. Grew around killers, drug dealers, and basers. He got a problem in racing.
Yo, what up, what up, what up? This your boy Born Divine, a.k.a. Born Da Vinci, man. Protecting that records, Woo South, the Better Life movement. And when I'm not doing what I'm doing, which is killing mics and parting crowds like the Red Sea, I'm listening to TJ Super Hype, live from the Fortress, RadioSuper.com. You already know, Baltimore's best, boy. Super Hype forever.
In the building, TJ Super.
That's right, Kim Drawn.
Radio Super. You guys are locked in, man. I just dropped some Dread Red on you. We're going backwards right now. I dropped some Dread Red on you.
Okay.
Right before that, big salute out to my man Afu Ra. Afu Ra, Gangstar Family. We got him coming up. I almost said something. I almost said something prematurely.
You can't say.
I don't know. I don't know if I can say it yet. I got to check with me and see if I can even say that yet. I got to check with me and see if it's even cool to be talking like that. I might. Is it cool to say that? You know what I'm saying? Yo, big salute out to my man Afu Ra. You know what I mean? He got new music out. Make sure you guys chase it down. New project, Rain on Me. Keep your eyes on him. You know what I mean? That's how we're doing it. And right before that, Gangstar. New Gangstar after new Gangstar project. You know what I'm saying? Bam. We had, I'll say that after. Gangstar project. featuring Big Shook, man. Definitely.
Okay.
Definitely. Big salute out to Guru, that whole crew over there. And big salute out to DJ Solar.
Of course.
We talked to him a little while ago.
Yes.
Definitely.
He was definitely on the show.
Beautiful situation. Yo, so check this out. I gotta tell you about how things went. So it was this was a little while ago. It was about a week ago. About a week ago, I was chilling with my man Red Hat Chuck.
Okay.
Big salute out to Red Hat Chuck. I was chilling with my man Red Hat Chuck and Momo de France. We was doing that, and we was on the Monique de France Radio Super Music Review Show. You know what I mean?
Show.
You like that show? Good. So we was on the show and we were talking and we were listening to music and everything like that. You know, and I said a lot of stuff going on, over here at Radio Super. You know what I'm saying? The airtime is ridiculous right now. You know what I'm saying? So it's like a bad situation. You know what I'm saying? Right. It's like a bad situation. It's nothing to joke about. You know what I'm saying? Like
so?
it's nothing to joke about, Kim. You know what I'm saying? So,
okay.
Anyways, so I was on the Monique show with my man Red Hat Chuck. Okay, right. I was on the show and I said like this. I said I'm gonna throw it out there. I put it out there. Salute out to my man Juan Pablo. Salute out to my man Bendu. I said we got a dope show coming up with Miss Adina Howard.
Right.
Okay, we got that coming up. I said I got room on the show to put a phone call out to an independent artist because I love to show the independent artist love. Because you know why, Kim?
Why?
Because it's like I know when I was listening to radio, as I was coming up, I would turn the radio on and the radio would play dope music.
Yes.
It didn't just play the music that came from the label, from the artist you really don't want to hear and stuff like that.
It was actually good music.
It was actually good music. You know what I mean?
I remember those days.
Right. So when I'm on the Monique de France Radio Super Music Review Show, there's some days that I hear good music.
Oh.
And there's some days I hear music that might not be as good. You know what I'm saying? But nonetheless, when I bump into those artists that are doing good things, you know what I'm saying? I like to shine some light on them. We got a lot of traction over here at Radio Super.
We do.
It's a lot of stuff happening. You know what I mean?
It is.
We have Flav in the building.
Yes.
We had MC8 in the building.
Yes.
We had Cassidy in the building. We had these people
Positive
in the building.
K.
Positive K. We had them in the building. You know what I'm saying?
we did.
These people came through. You know what I'm saying? DJ King Assassin came through. You know what I'm saying? These people came through the building. So, nonetheless, but at the same time, I still like to show love to the independents out there because they're making dope music.
Yeah.
So that's how we're going to do it. We're going to play dope music here. You know what I'm saying? We're going to play good music. And we're going to make sure the good music gets around the world because we get around the world.
We get around
the world. You know what I mean? So I got to give a big salute to Green Game Entertainment. Yeah, I'm going to put a phone call out to my man Dread Red right now.
Green Game
Entertainment. You know what I mean?
That's a good color.
Right. Big salute. Salute to my man Getty's out there. Right. Salute out there to Melissa out there. We see you out there. Get my man Dread Red on the phone. You know what I mean? It's how we doing it.
Dread Red.
Yeah, we just dropped something by him a little while ago. We got something else coming. Yo, Dread, what's good? TJ Super Duper, Radio Super. How you doing, sir? Good. Yo, I got to give you, first off, I want to give you a big salute, man. I want to give you a big salute, and I got to tell you how it happened. You know what I'm saying? So I got to give you a big salute, man, because I've heard a lot of stuff. I heard a lot of stuff from Dread, Kim. I hear a lot of stuff from Dread.
Okay.
And everything that I hear is quality from Dread.
Well, that's good.
You know what I mean?
Putting out good music.
Everything. This isn't like hit and miss. This isn't like I get a 5 and then an 8. You know what I'm saying? This is like I'm getting consistently 8s or higher.
Oh,
straight
wow.
up.
Nice.
Straight
Wonderful.
up. So I want to give you that applause, man, because you definitely deserve that, man. So check this out. Let me tell you how it happened real quick. We got a little while before Dina comes on. So I'm on the Monique de France Radio Super Music Review Show because I tell people, if you want to get your music into the system, if you want to get your music rotating and spinning on a billion radio stations, then that's where you need to listen. That's where you need to be sending your music. Dread, sometimes they believe me, And sometimes they don't believe me. You know what I'm saying? Nonetheless, what happened was your people know what's up, though.
Yeah.
So big salute to Gettys and big salute to Melissa because they know what's popping. What they did was they said, yo, wait a second, hold on. Yo, wait, we need to make sure Dread pop up. They say, yo, let's get these tracks in. They got the tracks in. Bam. Just like Pop-Tarts, Dread popped up. You know what I'm saying? He popped up.
Strawberry.
And he's going to pop up a lot on radio over the next week. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, getting radio spin.
He's going to get a lot of stuff. So, but nonetheless, that's kind of how it happened. You know what I'm saying? That's kind of how it happened. So nonetheless, I got this single coming up. You know what I'm saying? I got this single coming up, this new joint, Pac Sun. You know what I'm saying? With you on it, you got it. There's a feature on it. I think you're featuring on it. You know what I'm saying? I think it's Hookman track, right? Hookman and you, right? Okay. Okay. Let's talk about you two coming together to put that track together. Right. Okay. It came through. Tell us a little bit about the song real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right. Okay. That's big salute. So we got that coming up, Dread. Yo, before I let you go, man, throw out your social media, you and Hook's social media, in case they want to follow you out there. Right. Right. Okay, perfect. I got it. Yo, and before I let you go, man, throw some shout out to people real quick. Salute. Right. They working. Right. Everybody out there. Big salute. Yo, big salute out to Gettys, Green Game Entertainment. We see you out there. Melissa, we see you out there. Eddie Cuts, we see you out there. Yo, I'm going to drop this Dread Red Pac Sun joint, you know what I'm saying, with Hookman Joe, okay? All right, you stay posted. We're going to talk to you soon, all right? All right, salute.
Nice.
All right, new music. Remember where you guys heard it from, Radio Super.
When you in the streets and you getting money, then you a target for real. Lil' mama so bad, lil' mama so thick, yeah, she got a sense of appeal. My dog on the block, he clutching the glove, yeah, he got a hand of steel. And I'm in the booth, I'm going off top, cause I need a record deal.
Cause I need a bag today, I got a sad to change. I'm running it up, I double my cup, I'm sipping on ad today. I'm going the faster way, I'm going bad today. We just been trapping, baby, we make it happen lately, yeah. I like the way that you work, ay. Go ahead and call out a work. We just gon' pop us a perk. Fuck round and bust on your shirt, ay. She like the way that I surf, ay. I been that nigga since birth, ay. I gotta be on alert, ay. Cause they took my bro in the hearse, ay. Y'all niggas making it worse, all of my feelings is hurt, ay. They put my bro on the shirt, ay. They let my bro on the dirt, ay. I level up with the hurt. It's heaven up under the earth. On I-95 in the murk, ay. Young nigga pushing the work of me most, in the back of a road, She bringing me closer, I cannot control her. She taking me over, hella weight on my shoulders. Pour a full like a clover, I'll be fine when it's over.
When you in the streets and you getting money, then you a target for real. Lil' mama so bad, lil' mama so thick, yeah, she got that sense of appeal. My dog on the block, he clutching the Glock, yeah, he got a hand of steel. And I'm in the booth, I'm going off top, cause I need a record deal.
Cause I need a bad today, I got a sad to change. I'm running it up, I double my cup, I'm sipping on ad today. I'm going the faster way, I'm going bad today. We just been trapping, baby, we make it happen later.
Glock with a scope, yeah, chopper turn him to a ghost, yeah. He won't smoke, yeah, pull up like Oladipo, yeah. Cook a nigga like Rotel, get it for the low, sell it wholesale. He making plays at the hotel, walk down the room, ain't got no smell. My nigga in the trap still, in the kitchen whipping up oatmeal. Them fuck niggas broke still, he move like a zombie on perks and pills. Call out the plug, I need me some work, you throw it like Tannehill. We get the packs and they vacuum seal, but shh, these niggas rats for real. My bitch gon' do what I say so, he looking funny, get hit with that Draco. Ain't no place in my city I can't go, I'm on his head, just like a Kango. Bitch, I'm in the front yard like the Migos, do anything just to get to the peso. Yeah, I had a couple losses, had to take though, now niggas stacking up the chips like Legos. When you in the streets and you getting money, then you a target for real. Lil' mama so bad, lil' mama so thick, yeah, she got that sense of appeal. My dog on the block, he clutching the Glock, yeah, he got a hand of steel. And I'm in the booth, I'm going off top, cause I need a record deal.
Cause I need a bad today, I got a sad to change. I'm running it up, I double my cup, I'm sipping on ad today. I'm going the faster way, I'm going bad today. We just been trapping, baby, we make it happen later. Yeah.
As I sit and contemplate the definition, man, all these devilish thoughts running through my head. Sitting here contemplating about my past life, regulating pain through my soul to get it right. Open up and see the vision reflected inside. Only God can subside depression inside. But all the trials and tribulations I face, nigga, ain't nothing to the amount of pain that I'm feeling, nigga. Gotta open up and see the picture crystal clear. When you face to face, devils disappear. When you try to excel, the devil holds you back. Just remember who you are and you can make it fact. Make it fact.
Holding in so much, I'm feeling like I'm finally ready to face all my fears. Lately the road's been rough, I think it's time I'm finally ready. I'm facing all my fears. And all my fears, my fear, I'm facing all my fears, my fear, I'm facing all my fears, my fear, I'm facing all my fears.
Afraid to fail, but I prevail through the darkest night. A flashlight, a life bright, help me get it right. But all the pain that I suffered in this struggle game, I drop down to my knees, I forget and pray. Then I open up my vision, see my pain clear. And all the demons and pain in life, they disappeared. And all the devilish thoughts that are running through my head, I regulated it positive just to beat it dead. Now I'm excelling in life, I got the perfect mind. Like the Lord has blessed me, come through every time. Anytime I feel exhausted and tired, listen. God got a plan if you just learn to listen.
Been holding in so much, I'm feeling like I'm finally ready to face all my fears. Lately the road's been rough, I think it's time I'm finally ready. I'm facing all my fears, my fear, This is a Prodigy exclusive. Let me get up right next to you. I ain't worried about who calling and who texting you. This is confidence from concentrate. I got the juice, and you ain't gotta do a lot. The way we vibe is cool, and I could get you high without the drugs, without the bud. My baby love, I'll tell you something. We doing what we does, and ain't no one, no ain't nobody tell us nothing. Give you life, I ain't living night. I be on your night. When you miss me, you can hit me on the FaceTime. Bring me light, even in the night. You be on your grind, baby, that is why. I'm just tryna, I'ma get you right. Let me get you right. Yeah, I'ma get you right. Let me get you right. Yo, I'ma get you. Yo, I'ma get you. Yo, I'ma get you. Yo, I'ma get you. Break it down, face it down, pace it now. Crazy how you stick around and stay around. You qualify to lay it down, you baby. Now you show me how to go brain go. You ain't lacking no patience. That's why I cannot say no. Magic all in the say yes. Yo, obvious, I really want to show you something new. I put you on, you put it on me, trade a point of views. And on a late night when you don't expect it, I'ma let you teach me, give your girl a lesson. Let me get you right. Yeah, I'ma get you right. Let me get you right.
Now tuned into Radio Super, where music is played that you actually want to hear.
Oh my gosh, like I so love your guys' R&B playlist. Ladies, this is a place to be for R&B.
Radio Super.
Somewhere holding on the pillows, thinking how she dropped the ball while I'm blowing cigarillos and wondering what happened to our vibe and the energy. Knowing that she's probably so asleep with the enemy, I probably turned the tricks. I had to reinvent, that's why I moved on to flip the script, messaging my new chick. I'm sick, yeah, I know it. I'm just trying to be controlled. And now your mind, body, and soul while I'm living in the moment. Cause smacking ain't easy. I swear she never leave me. It's death over the sign. I know she never deceived me. But really, I don't know why I'm so confident. My last two exes I just had learned to disrespect. Dropped the ball, entertaining cornballs. When she knew the Mac was the king, and I don't know what she was looking for. But I hope she find what she was looking for. When it's all said and done, I'ma be the dude that she was missing more. For sure, Mac.
baby, I'ma see through. I just wanna have all of you to get away for the day. You and me, baby.
Your hats. This one's taking off. What's good, y'all? TJ Super Duper, Radio Super. I got new music from Adina Howard coming up and an interview coming up, so you guys stay posted. Mind Reader, let's get it. Super Duper, Radio Super. You guys already know how it goes down, man. Yo, at the beginning of the show, man, I made some promises. I said we was going to have a dope show. We was going to have a dope show. We was going to have a whole bunch of new music. I said that. We delivered on that. You know what I mean? I said we was going to have a special guest call in, but not just a special guest, a special guest call in. You know what I mean? R&B queen in the building right now. You know what I mean? Big salute out to Miss Adina Howard. Young lady, how are you doing right now?
Blessed and marinated in divine favor. How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm glad to have you on the show. You know what I mean? First off, I want to thank you for taking time out your schedule to come over here and rock with us on Radio Super. You know, we love you for that. You know what I'm saying? We've definitely been listening to you for forever and a day. It's been some time. You know what I mean? I had a couple of my people. I said, yo, check this out. I dropped the news on them. I said, we got Adina Howard coming through. And they said, yo, they told me stories about, how they had they was watching the t-shirt and the panties videos and stuff like that. You know what I mean? They had a little drool coming off. So, I just want to let you know that we see you out here working and everything. But you got a new single. I want to talk about your new single, this new joint you got. Let's tell us a little bit about this.
So Mind Reader is an international release that just came out for the public January 31st. I'm already in the middle of the year.
Right.
January 31st. And it was released to the DJs on the 7th, I believe. And I'm excited because it was #1 on Traxsource.
Oh,
and
beautiful.
That's my, first, I know, right?
Yeah.
It's amazing #1 hit that I'm aware of. And that was awesome to have, the top of the year to just make that happen was a beautiful thing. But Mind Reader is a song that I think a lot of people can relate to, young, old, and in between. Being around individuals, relationships, be it romantic or platonic,
right?
Parents, siblings, whomever, where people walk around acting like you're psychic.
Right.
You know what I'm thinking. You
Right.
know what I need you to do. You know what I want you to say. You know how I want you to act. And it's one of those things like, no, wait a minute. I'm not a mind reader. Open your mouth and say what it is you need from me. But specifically, the song is me talking to someone I'm involved with. But it can really relate to anyone. Like I said, whether it's a romantic relationship or a platonic relationship. I'm not a mind reader.
Right.
If you're walking around and you have something that you want to say, if you're in your feelings or, you really want something done, a closed mouth doesn't get fed.
Right.
I'm not a mind reader.
Right.
Say what you need to say, what you want to say, and let's see if I can assist you with what it is you need from me.
Right. That's beautiful. I don't think that's not a regular topic that I hear music come through about, you know what I mean? But I'm glad you touched down on it, because I know I've been in a couple situations where I was supposed to read minds, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't always get it right.
They thought you were Mr. Cleo.
Right, I didn't get it right, you know what I mean? So, but nonetheless, that's dope. So the Mind Reader single's out. This is interesting, and we're talking #1 on tracks, which is a beautiful thing. Let's talk about is this like, are you doing singles right now? Are you kind of just putting out singles right now and pushing, or are you kind of like working on an album project that you haven't dropped yet? Is that what direction you're going?
The beautiful thing about the era that we live in now, it doesn't even matter.
Right.
I can put a single out and push a single. I can put an album out and push the album. I can put an EP out and push an EP. Right now, I'm just focused on releasing better than good music that people can relate to.
Right. And I think you're off to a good start with the Mind Reader. Did you have some special production on that one?
This the producer that worked on Mind Reader is out of Sweden, and his name is Opalopo.
Okay.
Real people out of the UK, they got a hold of the acapella. Okay. And we did a deal, and they went to Opalopo and said, put your stank on it, and that's exactly what he did.
Okay.
And it's on what's interesting is it's on a compilation. I don't think they initially were thinking about making it a single, but once it was completed, they were like, well, let's move with this first.
Right. Yo, this is beautiful for everybody who's plugging in the class late. We're in a phone right now with R&B queen Miss Adina Howard. You know what I'm saying? Bump. That's how we doing it. You know what I mean? Yo, I want to take you back. I want to take you back a little bit, if that's okay, Adina. You know what I mean? I want to take you back a little bit. Way back, you know what I'm saying? Way back, you know what I'm saying? We're talking your music was all over the place and everything. It was crazy, you know what I mean? I want to talk about, the days going into, how it was like. Let's talk about you starting music. Like, what was the thing that kind of said, that led you into doing what you want to do?
My mother always encouraged me to sing, even when I had no desire to sing.
Right.
As a little girl, so she was the catalyst for me being just moving forward and becoming who I became. Because at the end of the day, being a little girl and being shy, and really not even hearing what she heard, it wouldn't have ever happened if it weren't for her.
Right.
Really just encouraging me and giving me the confidence that I needed to make it happen.
Okay. This is dope. Now let's move forward a little bit, and let's talk about, like, Adina singing, the buzz is there and everything like that. And then, you going into the deal, the deal leading to the first album coming out, and I want to talk about that.
Okay, so what we want to talk about? Say that again.
Let's talk about
the first album. Do you want to ride?
Let's talk about you getting the deal and the time leading into you getting the deal and putting out the first album. Like, how did that happen? The phone call. Yeah, I know it was crazy.
People are so interesting because people see the destination, they have no idea about the journey.
Right.
The journey was a long one. It was a tedious one. People have no idea that me and my first manager, Livio Harris, that when he first met me in Arizona, Chandler, Arizona, I believe, that wasn't Chandler, it was Mesa, Arizona, to be exact. Yep, he and I had, he and I met through a gentleman by the name of Ray Hunter. He, Ray introduced me. He said, he came to me. He said, I don't think I'll be able to take you where you want to go, but I believe I met somebody that may be able to help you out. So he introduced me to my first manager, Livio Harris.
Right.
And Livio, I sang for Livio. He was, oh, okay, I see you, come through. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He was impressed with what I presented to him. I ended up moving out to L.A. He and I stayed in a studio apartment in Los Angeles.
Real life, right.
And LA is extremely expensive, right? So we stayed in a studio apartment with a day bed, right? I slept in the day bed and he slept on the floor.
Right.
We would drive to Hollywood on a regular basis to get into the studio with our producer, G-Man.
Yeah.
And it would be a situation where we would get up 1 o'clock, be there at the studio, and sessions were till 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning, drive all the way back to the valley.
Right.
Wouldn't get home for like a good 45 minutes to an hour, get some rest, and start the process all over again. At one point, I don't even know what happened, but we ended up having to move out of the studio apartment. Ended up moving in with Billy Moss. Hoorah, what's up, Billy Moss, if you hear this?
Right.
We ended up staying with Billy Moss and his fiance at the time.
Right.
Sleeping, of course, separate rooms, but, sleeping on the floors because they didn't expect us to be just popping up and being homeless and everything. So it was, and we just grind. We had to grind, and we just did the grind, and it was just a constant, moving from this place to that place, and really no certainty. But we had a common goal, and we did what we needed to do to make it happen, and we were on the same page, and we communicated, and it was like, okay, this is what we're going to do, this is where we're going to go, this is what we need to get done. Just being in that studio day in, day out, day in, day out, day in, day out.
Yeah.
Fast food and just all that craziness, just a very unhealthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
No sleep and cheap food.
Right.
And homeless for the most part.
Right.
And got to a point where I was like, yo, we need to something needs to happen, because with all of this work that's going on, and I walked away from getting an education in criminal justice. I was like, we need to get a deal within this amount of time. Otherwise, I'm out of here, because I'm not going to waste time, energy, and effort on something that's not going to produce what needs to be, produced.
Right.
And with me giving him a timeline, I don't know if that put a fire under his butt or what the case may have been, but within a few months, he made it happen. Mechadon came to the table.
Yeah.
Roger Romain and Max Goose, they made it happen. They were impressed with what we put together, and they came up with this idea, which it fit me like a glove.
Right.
And they put they wanted a female R. Kelly minus the extra.
Right.
A female R. Kelly and a black Madonna.
Right.
So they and they looked at me like, okay, well, she's the perfect one to do it, and that's pretty much her mentality.
Yeah.
And so we created that persona, so to speak, that wasn't really created, but I guess we had to put a title on it in order to just kind of hone in on what we really wanted to do, because sometimes when you have an idea, you can craft that idea and just really manifest it into what it is you want to be. Because if you don't really have an idea, it's just, you're going to kind of be all over the place, which I get that, because I'm kind of there right now in my life, because I think I'm at a crossroads, but that's a whole other story.
Right.
So we ended up, signing with Mechadon. Mechadon ended up going to East West with Sylvia Rohn, and then it turned into Elektra. And it moved forward from there, and had to turn doubt into, disbelief, like, oh, they did that.
Yeah.
Because no one in a million years would have thought an urban solo artist, female solo artist, could pull it off. Because who in their right mind at the time would want to deal with an urban female solo artist who was as risque as I was? No one, because no one wanted to take the chance on that. What if it fails, and what if we get a whole bunch of blowback? But thank God for Livio and Mechadon and Sylvia, because they had the courage and the heart to say, you know what, we don't care what the naysayers are going to think about the situation. We're going to make it happen, and we made it happen.
Right.
In 1995, the world was introduced to Freak Like Me, Adina Howard.
Boom. We're talking somewhere something like gold or platinum. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think those are great adjectives to describe it.
Gold and platinum, yeah.
Right, yeah. I think those are great adjectives to describe it. You know what I mean? So, and big salute on that, man.
Absolutely.
And, I'm glad you described that, because I don't think that people look from the outside and understand how much work it takes to turn something over like that. It is a lot of, it is an every single day thing, and every, I tell people you have to take a step forward every single day. You know what I mean? And if you miss a day, you got to catch up, and especially now there's so much competition and everything out there. But it is beautiful, man. Yes, the story is beautiful. So I'm glad we were able to walk through with you and everything like that. So new project is out. It's everywhere. Mind Reader, of course, they can jump on every musical platform and chase down your whole back catalog. We're going to play some of it right after the interview and everything. So we're going to give them a little taste of it, in case they just need to get their mouth watering or something like that. Then we'll do that for them.
Ooh, but I like that.
right.
Mouth watering.
Yo, but this is dope. This is what I got. This is what I got for you, Adina. So check this out. Every time we get on the show, we hit people what we call the scenario. You know what I mean? And I got a Busta Rhymes sample playing right now. You know what I mean? So this is your scenario. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
Hold your hats.
Everything is good. You got a big event going on. You on a cruise. You're performing on a cruise. The cruise is popping. You're in the middle of the Pacific Ocean on a beautiful cruise liner, and everything is cracking. You know what I mean? And the performance is done, and you run into a little trouble with the ship, and you end up having to park at an island. You're gonna be at that island for a little while. You probably want to keep yourself busy. You know what I mean? So, what 5 items would you have made sure that you had while you're on that island to keep yourself busy until they can get this ship fixed? It could be a week or two, and you don't have to worry about food because all your food is taken care of. But what 5 items would you need?
Fresh draws. That's fresh draws.
Right. Let's start with the basics.
You never leave without the first panties now.
Let's start with the basics, TJ. I need a t-shirt and some panties, TJ. Okay. That part. Okay. All right. Cool. What else we got, Adina? What else you got?
Me, because I have asthma. Gotta have my asthma medicine.
Okay. Asthma pump. Got it. Okay.
Got to have my leave-in conditioner. That's important.
Okay, the conditioner. You need the conditioner, right? You got to stay silky. I mean, if you're out on an island, you got to be silky. Okay.
Right. I'll go ahead and wash my hair. I'll wash my hair in the ocean, but we're going to have to make sure, we keep the hair right.
You got to put the conditioner back in
Let's see. Right. Does toothbrush and toothpaste count as one, or is that
we'll count them as one.
The oral hygiene got to stay on point.
It's got to stay on point. Anything can happen.
I'm being practical. Right. I'm being very practical.
Anything can happen.
It's very important to be practical.
Right. Because you didn't say like, yo, I need my teddy bear. I need my Louis Vuitton coat. You didn't say that. You say, yo, TJ, I need underwear. I need some toothpaste. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Right. Okay. Okay, you got one more
and
item.
And my glasses, because abroad, I need my seeing glasses.
You need your glasses.
Because abroad, if you ask me to read something, and you ask me to read something, I don't have my glasses.
It's not happening. It's not happening. It's just not happening.
No, it ain't happening. See. See, I would have at least said weed, but at the end of the day, I have to think about it. I'm on an island, so somebody got some weed.
Somebody got it,
so
right?
Need to talk about that.
Somebody's got it. It's a cruise liner. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't be hard to find. Right? Definitely. Adina.
Exactly. So those are my 5 things.
Yo, this is beautiful right now. This is beautiful. Yo, Adina. I want to thank you for taking time out your schedule to come over here and rock with us on Radio Super. You know what I mean? You already know. Anything pops off, you know what I'm saying, come back and see us or send us new music. We got you. We'll move it around for you and everything like that. Yo, before we get out of here, I want you to give out your social media, and then I want you to give out some shout outs, because you got your friends like from high school listening, and they're gonna be like, Adina, why you didn't shout me out? You know what I'm saying? So you're gonna get that text message.
Because y'all ain't paying no bills.
That's why. That's why.
Y'all ain't booking no shows and y'all ain't paying no bills.
No book.
So let's see, social media.
Yeah.
Okay, for real. So social media, Instagram, The Real, THE, The Real Adina Howard.
Okay.
Facebook, Adina Howard. Twitter, Adina Howard. AdinaHoward.com.
Right.
YouTube is Adina Howard TV. Let's see. Shout outs. I need to shout out everyone who has had my back these past 25 years. Because, the game started for me 25 years ago, January 25th.
Right.
And, I have to shout out my former manager, Livio Harris.
Big salute.
I need to shout out Mecadon Max Goose, Roger Romaine, Sylvia Roan for taking the chance on me. To my current team, Paris Toon, Patrick Taylor, my sister who is a godsend, who rocks with me on the road, London Howard.
Right.
To all of my fans, let me go family, all of my family who has supported me and allowed me to be me and all of my glory, good, bad, and indifferent, accepting me as I am and helping me to purge from the things that no longer, really are suited for me, on any and every level.
Right.
So thank you for being there and standing by my side. To my fans for taking the journey with me. It's important that we acknowledge the people who continue to support us on the musical side, that, purchase music, stream music, steal music, whatever the case may be.
Right.
That we acknowledge them because they come to support.
Right.
Any and every level, and regardless of what the support may, look like or feel like, I want to thank them because they have been so crucial in me staying in this business, because multiple times I've walked away, and to just have that support system to say, we still appreciate you, you're still relevant, and your music continues to move us to this day, and any and everything that you put out, we're going to support you on that, regardless whether it's on mainstream or no stream. Right.
So, that's big.
Yeah.
That's big, and it's significant. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to all those people who do support artists and people, creative people in this industry. It's a difficult industry. It's a really difficult industry, to work with. To the
DJs, thank y'all.
Yeah, big salute.
All the DJs, like y'all are everything.
Big salute. Adina, you already know we got you over here at Radio Super. I got to give a big salute out to my man Rampage and Heat 100 DJs. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, my big bro.
Big salute. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we love you. You already know what's up. We got something coming up. We got a little Adina Howard throwback coming up. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to slide right into that. Y'all stay posted. We'll be right back with you. TJ Super Duper, Kim Drawn, Radio Super. Let's go. That's how we do it.
About to pay nobody's way.
give a damn about a thing. 'Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night to the early morn. Come on and I will take you around the hood on a gangsta league. 'Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me. 'Cause I will be a freak until the day, until the dawn. And we can all through the night to the early morn. Come on and I will take you around the hood on a gangsta league. 'Cause we can, any time of day, it's all good for me.
Hello? I was just thinking about you.
Yeah, I was thinking about you too. I just got one question to ask you.
What's that?
What do you have on right now?
T-shirt and my panties on. T-shirt and my panties on. T-shirt and my panties on. T-shirt and my panties, got my t-shirt and my panties on.
Picture this, I'm in my bed, body's hot, soaking wet, thinking of the things I like to do. I'm open wide when it comes to freaking you. Imagine me, where else can be, between my legs, you're tasting me. Boy, when you get here, you know my love will overflow. And you ain't got to worry about my clothes, 'cause I got my
t-shirt and my panties on.
Just how you like it.
T-shirt and my panties on.
Waiting for you.
T-shirt and my panties on.
You can't deny it.
T-shirt and my panties, got my t-shirt and my panties on. T-shirt and my panties on.
Just how you like it.
T-shirt and my panties on.
Waiting for you.
T-shirt and my panties on.
You can't deny it.
T-shirt and my panties, got my t-shirt and my panties on.
Don't be surprised when you come inside. Saddle up and be prepared to ride.
Back and forth. Can you feel me, baby? Why don't you
Just take your time. Tonight you're mine. Gonna turn around, hit it from behind. Boy, now that you're here, you know my love will overflow. And you ain't got to worry about my clothes, 'cause I got my
t-shirt and my panties on.
Just how you like it.
T-shirt and my panties on.
Waiting for you.
T-shirt and my panties on.
You can't deny it.
T-shirt and my panties, got my t-shirt and my panties on. T-shirt and my panties on.
Just how you like it.
T-shirt and my panties on.
Waiting for you.
Back in the building, TJ Super Duper.
Drawn.
Radio.
Yes.
Super. Just like that. Just like that. Radio Super. Just like that. Yo, that was a wild interview we just had with Miss Adina Howard. Big salute. Everybody plugged in for that. You know what I mean? Yo, salute to everybody out there locked in with us.
Taking me back to the 90s.
I know, right? Bump, bump.
Hey.
Bump, bump.
All
That's it right there. That's it right there, yo. Yo, salute to everybody. Salute to the people plugged in, man. I want to do some interactive stuff with the people that's plugged in. I want to do that at some point. Not this second. I'll have to get creative.
Okay.
I'll have to get creative. We'll talk about it soon.
Okay.
We'll talk about it one day.
Sounds like a plan.
One day I'll do something. One day I'll do something.
One day I'll do something, but not right now.
One day I'll do something. Kim.
Stay tuned.
How was your weekend?
Good. I can't complain.
It was good?
It was sort of laid back.
Right.
More so than normal, but you know.
Right. Yeah. I had an excellent Rock the Mic show. Right. With special guest Scientific on there.
Scientific.
Excellent show. Definitely check out the replay. You can check out all replays on rockthemicshow.com or radiosuper.com.
Oh, why wouldn't you?
Right, definitely.
I mean, you should do that.
Definitely. They should check it out this weekend. I have Miss Veen in the building on the Rock the Mic show, so we want to make sure you plugged in for that. And we got a dope show next week. We got a dope show next week. I've been dropping like hints as to the guests that we're bringing in.
Oh yeah, I saw some hints on Facebook.
Yeah, I dropped a little hint and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like we got it coming up. You know, everybody plugged in. I guess they get to see Speech from Arrested Development next week.
What?
It's gonna be crazy.
Okay.
It's gonna be crazy.
That now it makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense. Tennessee. There we go. And he's got a really interesting project that I want to talk to him about. It's a project in relation to prisoners, and I remember speaking to him a little bit about it before, and I remember being interesting and me wanting to talk to him about it. And I guess to the bottom of it. We are going to be able to get to the bottom of it next week while he's on the air, Radio Super. So the lineup is crazy. Just like I said, it's crazy. It's going to be a wild lineup for forever. Just consider it forever. It's going to be dope forever. It's going to be dope here forever. That's just how it's going to be. You know what I mean? So big salute. Yo, Kim, let's say they're out there. They saw a picture of you and they love chocolate. How do they follow you on social media? How do they do that? How do they do that?
My name is Kim Drawn. Drawn. DRAUGHAN.
Hi, my name is...
Who? My name is Kim Drawn.
Right.
You may have also seen the moniker AZ Chemistry.
Yeah.
You can follow me on her with that as well. All social media platforms. If Kim doesn't work, Kimberly might, but definitely either way.
Okay.
Kim Drawn, AZ Chemistry, Radio Super, Media Made Magazine.
Right.
All of those things will point you in the right direction.
Right. That's big. If you guys want to follow me, you know where to follow me. Follow me personally at TJ Super. You can follow us everywhere at Radio Super. You know what I'm saying? Or the Rock the Mic show. You know what I mean? That's how we do it. Yo, you know what else? Couple things. I got some music coming up and I want to talk about that in a second. But they got a new documentary coming out.
Really?
I was a little surprised. I was happy to see this one.
Okay, tell me about it.
I'm watching Apple Music and it comes in. Here's a little story I got to tell. They got a Beastie Boys documentary coming out.
Well.
Yes.
Wow.
A Beastie Boys documentary coming out.
Okay.
I can't believe. I want to see it. I
think that'll be dope.
I want to see. I think I gotta wait till like April. I don't think it comes out till April. I get to just watch the trailer and salivate. But it comes out in April, I think, and I'm definitely checking for it. You know what I mean? I
like a little brass monkey. You know what I mean?
They play that song forever. They played that song so long.
Yes.
So long. And they said that record used to go gold like every year for like 10 or more years.
It's a great song.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to know how to drink the Brass Monkey.
Yeah. They definitely gave instructions.
Yes.
They definitely gave instructions. No sleep till Brooklyn. So many
No
joints.
sleep till.
No sleep till. So many joints. So big salute out, man. Spike Jones directed that one. So big. I'm checking for it. Yo, this is what else I was doing right here because I got this coming up. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. And I don't even know how to talk about it. Before I play it. You know what I'm saying? But I want to talk about it before I play it because I don't want to play it and then not talk about it. You know what I'm saying? So I want to talk about it before I play it. So I'm sitting there like this. I'm sitting there a little while ago, and I'm probably late to the game. You know, I was having a conversation with Man Scientific. I'm late to the game. Where's TJ at? He hasn't got here yet.
Right.
I'm late to the game.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I'm sitting here. And I'm listening, and I'm going through, you know, I'm looking through music videos or something like that. And one video goes off, and something else. I'm seeing something else, and I'm seeing a Jimmy Fallon show.
Oh,
and
I like that show.
Jimmy Fallon show, and I'm like, okay, this is dope. You know what I'm saying? And I see Griselda, and I'm like, why is this coming up in the playlist? You know what I'm saying? That sounds odd. I told you I'm late to the game, so just understand I'm late to the game while I'm saying this. So I'm like, that sounds odd. Like, what is this coming up on my? I just listened to some hip hop. Why am I seeing this? You know, this sounds like a rock band or something like that. You know what I'm saying? But it wasn't a rock band. And then it started playing, and I'm like, wait a second, hold on. Like what? Like what? Like this is playing right now. Like this was gritty hip hop. On the Jimmy Fallon show. I had to check the date and make sure it said 2020 on it. It said 2020. I'm like, wait a second. This is
new music. Good music.
This was dope. No, but not just good music. This was dope music that was playing right now that's on Jimmy Fallon. You're nodding your head and you're like, TJ, I hear what you're saying. You know what I'm saying? But I don't think you feel where I'm coming from. So let me just, I figure we'll just get into it a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Let's hear it.
Griselda, Dr. Birds. We'll be right back with you guys. Radio Super.
Griselda. I'm in Salvatore making Salat. Been taking 3 flavors. Shoot the nigga now, we speak later. Uncle Whitney got the Mac with me, hid behind the Warhol. Dip the bird door, shut up the whole store. Cherry 57 in the back, learning lessons. Crack it, drying it, be ready in a second. 40 chains on, halo. I'm a god nigga, fear a god, jog a rocket nigga. I don't even jog, hanging out the wagon sunroof. Pick the nigga off. The meal with the chill bezel. All my phones red, it make me feel special. Banana pill AK, I'm looking real extra. With the top keys, I'm on the green Teslas. So Virgil, right brick on my brick. Right brick on my brick. So Virgil, right brick on my brick. Hey yo, Amiri's filled with cash, I'm in the fashion district. Shoot your mama house of full and half a picking. All my niggas dealing, all my niggas killing. The niggas try to test me, now them niggas missing. Milk porters, still awesome. Water whip coke, I still force it. Rose out the faucet. Tell Virgil, right brick on my bread.
Look, Lil Brody let off his 30, he ain't even flinch. Caught the body, dipped to the A, nobody seen him since. 560 Benz and I ain't need the tents. My weed is sent, cost more than your mama need for rent. That's just for one sip, the drum rip, leave you rinse. Hide the body for a week and it's gon' leave a stench. Rappers coming to my city, they gon' need consent. Cause we already know you pussy, nigga, we convinced. I told Virgil, right brick on my brick. The nicest with this shit, ain't right this, I just spit. White bitch on my dick, this ice drip on my fist. No shoe deal, but look at all this Nike shit that I get. On Doe Street, this white shit that I pitch. 2 in the morning on the corner, night shift with my blick. No soda in this off-white shit that I whip. I'm rich, put all this off-white shit on my bitch. So if you smoke, we ain't even asking. We just pulling up and somebody gon' see a casket. Hauling Nash and Benny like James Worthy, Kareem and Magic. Every time Griselda drop, the shit gon' be a classic.
I gave cocaine to users and okay for shooters. The packages finished the cycle with the stone-faced Medusa, Sopranos, and Maggianos. We got gold-plated Rugers, this pistol, a backflip you and blow your whole frame to Pluto. Got our lives on us, can we chill? Eating with snakes, probably get him killed. Cause trust me, a family had a Henry Hill. And every man don't got a Benny skill. When you this dope, it take at least 50 mil just to sit me still. Like 10 on my whip, white bitch on my dick, right wrist when I whip. That white brick on my brick, one-way Margiela, that type shit on my bitch. Butterflies and spikes, that type shit on my kicks. These rappers wanna be trendy, they hoes wanna be friendly, but never. She wear forever 21 like it's Fendi. I told that bitch it's Givenchy, she pronounced it Givenchy. She wanna fuck me and run through all my accounts till they empty. What was she gonna do? I'm still thinking militant. Old paraphernalia laying around, I got rid of it. Just settled all my differences. I really had a chicken with a tree stamp like I stepped on it with a Timberland. The butcher, nigga.
I know you're cheap, most of you rappers never wanna grow. So introduce yourself to some La Beach. For used to go to Domino's to go and order someone's pizza. Cancel it and pick it up for free. To need what senoritas, mamacitas. I can call Lupita, tell her to go to my house and heat the chili up. So when I get home I can eat it. I'm discreet but I can beat any video game without the cheats. Cause I'm a genius and I can't even see shit. I saw a dog trying to climb onto the steering wheel. Got the car started, rolled over a scary hill. What the hell happened to Neo Dream and Carrie Hill, son? They used to be poppin', but now they're very still. I'm in the zone at home, just watching Penny Dreadful. My girl says that I'm as annoying as 20 Deadpools. I'm unemployed, but I'm enjoying a skinny Red Bull. And now I'm going to begin flowing at Jenny Craig School. Mr. Doctor wannabe. I don't know who you are, but I'll tell you who you're gonna be. I don't know who I am, can you tell me what I'm gonna see? Cause I just took a shroom and inhaled a marijuana tree.
Went into a rabbit hole and came out of the other side and found out I was turning to the rabbit, yo. Everything is 3D, I feel like I can grab it, yo. All these damn drugs, but it's such a bad habit, bro.
And Left 4 Dead and Silent Hill kill plenty dead fools. My car is broke but comfortable with there's plenty leg room. You wanna sweep my girl off her feet, I'll give you a broom. But I'ma sit here and go to sleep or I'ma play Doom. That's how it just is. I knew you wouldn't come unless I told you that I'd give you dough if you beat me at Tetris. Who the hell is that girl staring at my necklace? Oh well, I'ma go home and watch Netflix and chill. And you don't wanna be a sorry OG, yo. I'm in Iceland on Super Mario 3, ho. Might as well buy you an Atari or Wii, bro. Cause you need something simple, not for gamers like me, no. I know you're a vagina sore. I can't even find the floor. I travel back in time to watch Jurassic Park with dinosaurs. What the heck you rhyming for? You acting like two rhymes a chore. Your mother's mom's a ladies man and father's mom's 2 times the whore. Mr. Doctor wannabe. I don't know who you are, but I'll tell you who you're gonna be. I don't know who I am, can you tell me what I'm gonna see? Cause I just took a shroom and inhaled a marijuana tree.
Went into a rabbit hole and came out of the other side and found out I was turning to the rabbit, yo. Everything is 3D, I feel like I can grab it, yo. All these damn drugs, but it's such a bad habit, bro.
I never wake up any time before 9 o'clock. I'm up all night playing games and writing rhymes with pot. I'm trying to find a line to cross so I can find a box and towel so I can dry my socks. I try to watch shows where people get outlined in chalk. I always try to talk when it's not my time to talk. I'm like a mixture of some wine and cock. I mean chicken, you dumbass, Dr. I'm in shock. You better head back to your block. Yeah, I thought I was gonna end it there. I hate when both my kids standing on a kitchen chair. Has anyone in the Avengers seen Vision's hair to be kinda pointless and confusing like a Christian bear? It sucks for people with no eyes who don't get to stare. My mission is to steal most of the candy out the witch's lair and get away before she tries to eat me like a chicken dinner. I don't wanna have to grab a candy cane and stick it in her, so Mr. Doctor wannabe. I don't know who you are, but I'll tell you who you're gonna be. I don't know who I am, can you tell me what I'm gonna see? Cause I just took a shroom and inhaled a marijuana tree.
Went into a rabbit hole and came out of the other side and found out I was turning to the rabbit, yo. Everything is 3D, I feel like I can grab it, yo. All these damn drugs, but it's such a bad habit, bro.
Chain. Medallions. Chain. Mink coat medallions, elegant wine taste, my stick shift, personality, alkaline base. 20 grand a show to get this. Swear to God, I won't perform nothing off of this demonstration. If you ain't got the cake, then I ain't got the patience. This the Rolls Royce package. Rose gold music for the Rose Bowl. Napa Valley visitor, sparking the wine, sipping the dirt digs. Instrumental sparking the mind's interest. I shine different. Grind gifted and I rhyme splifted. Weak ass rappers, they don't deserve positions. The most misinterpreted sister swastika. Extra large status, fresh 70s oxygen. Bring out the worst of me, spitting that whack shit and not realizing this nursery is a fucking embarrassment. Cause I'ma spit some shit over your head purposely. 3rd degree burns when I return, you worship me. Dominant warlord, record, this is pure. Every line designed is a different chord. Keep it going, fly sneakers worn. While I'm speaking poems, got you asking how much the feature's gone.
Yo, what's good? We back in the building. TJ Super Duper, Radio Super. We chilling right now, man. Yo, big salute out to everybody plugged in with us, man. We had an excellent show right there. We're not quite done yet. I'm going to go into a couple of throwbacks. So I want you guys to stay locked in because that's how we're doing it. You know what I mean? Yo, just like I said, if you want to follow us, you can follow me directly at TJ Super or Radio Super or the Rock the Mic Show. You know what I'm saying? We got a crazy show this weekend, so make sure you plugged in. We got Kim in the building. How do they follow you again, young lady?
Of course, it's Kim Draughan, DRAUGHAN. Of course, Radio Super or Media Made Magazine. I'm going to give a shout out to Beautiful and Beyond. I know there's a big event coming up this Monday.
Big salute to them.
Event.
Big salute.
So I wanted to throw some light on this subject. The free event. They're giving away free clothing, free food, free everything.
Right.
It's happened right down on in association with Body and Soul as well as GPC Charities.
That's big.
So, yeah, free community event. They're giving back. So, you know, if you guys can donate or volunteer your time, check them out. Make sure you follow Beautiful and Beyond for more information.
Yo, that's big. Big salute out to Beautiful and Beyond. Big salute out to Prove It. We see you out there. Big salute out to the Heat 100 DJs. We got something beautiful coming up. So, yo, you guys stay on the lookout. There's a lot of stuff happening with the Heat 100 DJs. I'm in a cannabis mood right now.
That
sounds crazy, doesn't it?
I love cannabis.
That sounds crazy, doesn't it? Perfect. I'm in a cannabis mood, yo. That's how.
My attention.
That's the throwback set we're doing today. You know what I'm saying? So I want you guys to stay posted. I'm in a cannabis mood. Yo, let's get it. It's Logic. Remember where you locked in, Radio Super.
Nigga, realize that. Tony Touch. Yeah. See you there. You can lick shots in the club. I don't give a fuck who you hit. It's Logic as long as there's nobody that's in my clique. You can catch a nigga at the stoplight and snatch him out the whip. It's Logic as long as there's nobody that's in my clique. If a bitch got AIDS, I don't care who she sleeps with. It's Logic as long as there's nobody that's in my clique. You can even admit you know who the gay rapper is. It's Logic as long as there's nobody that's in my clique. I'm the greatest scientifically inclined mind since Einstein. I write blue ribbon rhymes for Nobel Prize time. Trying to shine with the shit I invent. I know I ain't perfect, but I'm 99.9%, which means I represent and get deep in thoughts with philosophies like a rolling stone gathers no moss at any or all costs. MCs get flipped, rip, split, and tossed with lyrical brute force, of course. Y'all niggas is Microsoft like DOS. Fucking with me, you catch a free round trip to the mall, cause I ain't scared of none of y'all. Word to Allah, we could go to war with 4 balls, a swashbuckle with swords, intoxicated off the la-la. On some rah-rah, I blow your stereo the fuck up if it ain't a hi-fi. Lyrical scholar in the physical form of Allah. Niggas will tell you that I'm nice with the blah blah blah. With the knowledge of my forefathers, you niggas can't battle me because I quadruple my brain capacity. The intellectual athlete, accurately rapping so rapidly, yet he makes perfect sense mathematically. I happily accept any rappers offer to challenge me. 50 MCs reduced to 49 casualties, and be the last man standing with metaphors Charlie Horse couldn't put a cramp in. It's the cannabis getting busy with Tony Touch. The fuck that I don't even give a fuck about. Don't give a fuck. What? Yeah, cannabis, CIC, Death Squad. Yeah. Just breathe, nigga. Just breathe. What? You want to battle with a Jesus piece? You need luck. You
couldn't see me with a Jacob piece from Jesus. I lean you back like your spine just cracked. Rhyme chiropractor, get paid to adjust raps. Spit something, let me see if I'm a bust back. I front back, go your ass till you collapse. Spin hats around like Spreewell hubcaps. My gonna clap faster than Savion glove attacks. Wave the 4 at you if it take more than that. I kick down your door before you get the double latch. Travel can I bust? Just relax. I came to collect tax, it's as simple as that. I raid your refrigerator, but other than that, before I leave, I remind you to remember your whack. Yo, my girl loves Usher, but she said he getting cocky. I told her shut up, cause that's the same way she knocked me. In the name of hip-hop, I rock beats on block streets. There ain't an MC that can stop me. Need more beats, Scott Storch ain't cheap. In Virginia, DMP and not Scott Heat. Yo, I get around like Pac and Shock G. In a drop G, licking all shots at Sashi. It don't have to be a special occasion. I be blazing, I'm Jamaican. You know that I don't worship no pagan. This is real cannabis. Me and nose aching, niggas be hating, but on the low they know the flow's dangerous. The hip-hop don't name it, never miss the payment. Don't say shit to me, talk to the niggas I came with. Take slate shit, nigga. Drama king, nigga. Buy the big nigga.
Partial clearing tonight with a low of 74.
Word, let me zone. Wanna hit this microphone, I got hell of this. You know how me and the LB fam get motherfucking biz. Along on the track, we got the funk, got the spot. Cannabis and A+ from Parkside's blocks. Hey, yo, big dog locks it down. Yo, we come through like bulls. See, us niggas taking two fools and pass. Nigga, watch your back once you talk out your ass. I back a 380 in my stash for protection. Family to raise, the world is acting crazy. I never thought I'd make it was hectic when I scramble. On point like a knife, I'm taking life as a gamble. Living in the rotten apple, where every chorus rotten. All my niggas rest in peace, you see you gone but not forgotten. Now my main wifey, dead is shady chicks. Official lost boy since the year of 86. And fuck these crooked niggas, I could kill them with the passion. At times I feel like flashing in Jamaica, Queens flashing. You think you can fuck around, but yeah, you just thinking. It's over when I'm sober. Imagine when I'm drinking without blinking, man. I tell you, crew like pages. I rip you from the backyards, park chairs and stages.
A+ the lyrically superb one. Spitting rhymes off the top of the tongue to burn your eardrum. Rock shit, make the opposite. Team call a timeout. Knocking niggas 3 times my size out. Stroud loves it. So when I ain't around, they ask for me. I buckle up and catch wreck like a crab dummy for the fast money. I get up in that ass money. The fact you trying to test me kinda bugs me. I leave tools fed up like handicap niggas trying to get up. MCs get wet up with lyrical gun pellets. I blow up the spot when it's time to rock. I speak out, my voice box to peek out of the 100 watts. Who wanna cipher? I get dumb. Word to my mother, the father, the Holy Ghost of rap run. When the source said it done, I in the service. Concocted the type of verses average MCs work.
Yo, big dog, turn the track off. Yo, fake MCs, step to the rear. Real MCs, bring this shit up north. Fuck how you feel. Fuck with the lyrical skills again. My style is milk and magnesia. Classify speed and bust, the more the merrier. Secure the area. My life familiar is ultimate superior. We don't jack cars, we jack for aircraft carriers. I bounce like trampolines when I be blowing the bees to pieces. Him them like sewing machines and cheeses. When the shadows of the barrel pointing out my boy Camaro. I get punished like Pharaoh for splitting. You better off singing Christmas carols for Christmas. Because I'm on point like bow and arrow equipment. The president of chicken head conventions. I give you a deluxe Ku Klux lynching. I got a headache from the stress, success, not wearing the vest. 5'11" for being dirty, courts at 9:30. Yo, Mr. Cheek, I made this bitch call police. She tried swallowing the 9-piece, but got a warranty on false teeth. I return like Machiavelli on 18-inch Pirellis. Assault and battery like my palms is ever ready. Sharp as machetes. Matter of fact, a stop from cardiac.
The cannabis brings the sickest drama. Fierce enough to pierce the thickest armor. I smack bitches for trying to suck dick through a condom. Playing with the mic is something I won't do. My only concern when I approach you is to boast you. I smoke you or whoever you standing close to and make every man in your crew deny that he knows you. Defeating niggas like Seagal Steven, putting them C's in positions to prevent them from breathing. I make you question any and everything you've ever believed in.
by peeping your deeper secrets like psychic readers. What's the matter with y'all? I splatter y'all against the motherfucking wall with these raw lyrics I catapult. None of y'all got the balls big enough to battle. I go on and on like Erykah Badu. 100 times nicer than the best is, twice as arrogant as KRS is. Who wanna test this? Fuck y'all, you don't impress me and no one can test me. An MC so ill, I got AIDS scared to catch me. All that shit you poppin' will stop when I put you in a headlock and apply pressure till I crush your motherfucking noggin. I grab mics and push niggas to the left so fast they hearts end up on the right side of the chest. My hypothesis is that nobody can see this lyrical genius. I got it sold like a seamstress, but if you wanna battle, I'm down. If you got 9 lives, I take 8 of them off your hands right now. Step up and get your neck cut from ear to ear. If you survive, then you can cover your skull with a beard. I'm the illest from Queens to the New Jerusalem Britics. Anyone who ain't feeling my shit, it can suck my dick. You need to quit it if you ain't spitting more than 50 bars per minute, cause you ain't in lyrical fitness. Kicking boring raps with metaphors that's whack. All of your motherfuckers need ignore the track to get you weighed up. Fucking with cannabis, you get ate up. Beat down and sprayed up just for bringing my name up. Been rocking longer than niggas twice my age. Back in the days before Bob Marley was rocking the fade. Before Honest Abe signed the paper that freed slaves. Before Neanderthals was drawing on walls and caves. I existed in the Garden of Eden getting lifted. Sticking dick to Eve before she was Adam's mistress. Before Christ created Christmas. I've been in lyrical fitness. The cannabis is spitting till we spitless. 50 bars of total sickness. You won't forget this. I'm putting every whack MC alive on my shit list. Verbally vicious. Telekinetically gifted. Took you a minute to exhibit that I'm sick with it. Now you tell me who you think is damaging shit. Going once, going twice, sold to that nigga named Cannabis. Me and Mr. G's A+, a phone doctor hopping out the Huey helicopter to super chop ya. Groove home and Death Squad. 9-7, nigga.
TJ Super Duper.
Hey.
Radio Super. Ice Cream Man. I like ice cream.
I like
ice cream. It wasn't like the Ice Cream Man though. It was like the Cheesecake Woman. That's what it was like. It was like the Cheesecake Woman that came. You know what I mean? Yo, big salute out to Miss Beautiful and Beyond in the building. How you doing, young lady?
Good, and you?
I'm good. If they want to follow you, how do they follow you?
Facebook would be Beautiful and Beyond Entertainment. Instagram would be Queen Team BB.
Right.
And then we also have a website, which is Beautiful and Beyond Entertainment.com.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, basically.
Yeah, that's it. She brought. Look. Did you see what she brought us? Did you see what she brought? She brought. Look at that. I'm unraveling it. Do you see right there? That's cheesecake right there.
Kind of cheesecake.
That's the cheesecake right there. Boom. Yum. So we're gonna get into that in a minute. I told her
it's
that
like assorted flavors.
I told her Kim couldn't have the slices with strawberry on them. You couldn't have those. You know what I'm saying? So
I like chocolate.
Just these 3 right here.
I like chocolate.
You know what I'm saying?
Out.
But you're good for the rest of it
yes.
though. Like you're just all chocolate one right here. You know what I'm saying? That's all you.
Chocolate,
you could like lick that right there and nobody will get it. Just lick the edge right there and nobody will get it. But these 3
so
right
you got
here.
Your sights on the strawberry.
Right.
TJ?
Yeah, I'm working right now. Okay,
that's
no,
cool.
that's beautiful, yo. Beautiful and Beyond Entertainment. She always shows us super love. We thank her for that. You know what I'm saying? It's big. It's big. Saturday, Rock the Mic show. Premiere music video show. Make sure you guys are plugged in for that.
Of course.
Right. Catch all episodes at rockthemicshow.com. You can catch replays for those. Kim, you got anything to get out there before you get out? Any shout outs? You want to shout out some people? Your best buddy from high school?
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
No,
right.
I just want to spread love. Wish everybody a happy Valentine's Day.
It's Valentine's Day. Look at this. It's Valentine's Day.
Single Awareness Day.
It's a singles awareness day.
I didn't having a ladies' night. You're more than welcome to come if you
might
single.
have to do that and bring my single up.
I didn't even have time to see if I could figure out something for Kim or anything like that.
We have a ladies' night.
I didn't have time to
He's
set
supposed
her
to look
up.
me up with somebody. So I wouldn't be single the rest of the year. But oh well.
I didn't even have time to set her up. You know, set her up. I didn't have time for that. So it just didn't happen this year.
Okay.
Yo, big salute out to my whole Radio Super team. We see you out there. Lisa Arenas, we see you out there. Kim Drawn in the building right now. Big salute out to Chucky Red Hat. Big salute out to my man DJ DN3. Big salute out to Momo de France. You know what I'm saying? Yo, big salute out to Professor X. We see you out there. You see any of them, talk to them nice. Big salute out to our sponsors. You know what I'm saying? Yo, the Heat 100 DJs. That's my dudes. We see y'all out there. Y'all know what's cracking. Beautiful and Beyond Entertainment in the building. Prove it. We see y'all. You know what I'm saying? Salute out to y'all. That's how we're doing it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to leave. We're going to leave. I'm going to go cut into this cheesecake right now.
I'm ready.
I'm going to cut into this cheesecake. I'm going to play Cannabis. This is one of my favorites. You know what I'm saying? That's actually the name of the song. It's one of my favorites. You know what I'm saying?
Perfect.
We love y'all. We'll see y'all next week. Take care.
So